Wherever you go, wherever you stay, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. No matter how far, how broken you are, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. Hey, wherever you go, wherever you stay, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. No matter how far, how broken you are, don't you forget that love is always coming your way. Always.
Na-Jervy niyo pa.
Jaira! Iris!
Malakas ang tawa!
Yung proposal niya, masaya naman. Tsaka pangarap ko kasi talagang makapunta doon eh. Kaya sabi ko parang, sana doon, kung sakali man. Kasi actually, ang plano nun si Ate Jessie ang pagpaproposal. Tapos nagulat ako pala. Nascam ako kasi tumutulong ako sa proposal ng isa. Sa akin pala ang proposal.
In the rain, lost and found again. We ignore what's really happening, ceiling caving in. We can still pretend. I will move if you.
Magandang araw po sa lahat. Ngayon pong araw na to, we stand in the presence of God who authored love and designed marriage. To witness a sacred covenant for Mikmik or Michelle and to Denise. Hindi po sila magkaiba ng pangalan, no? Si Denise po yung babae, si Michelle po yung lalaki. Okay? Para malinaw po para sa lahat.
Yan ang nasasabi siya, mahal na mahal kita at mahal niyo mo magiging asawa mo.
Sabi ka pa.
Staring at the ground, don't say the words out loud.
Hello. Nawala. Ayan, tumawag sa akin si Jane, and dahil sa kanya, nagkaroon ulit tayo ng connection. Ayan, sobrang kaba ko noon, grabe yung kaba. Joke lang. Sobrang kaba ko noon, sa totoo lang, pauwi na ako at ayoko na sanang ituloy. Hindi ko naman first time manligaw, pero kakaiba yung kaba ko nung araw na yun. Pero salamat sa Lord kasi walang masakyan at hindi agad ako nakauwi at nagkaroon ako ng lakas ng loob na kausapin ko. And that became one of the best decisions I've ever made.
Love is patient and kind. Magpakumbaba at mapagpasensya. Okay? Alam kong mas mabilis uminit ang ulo mo, Denise, kay Mikmik. Okay? Okay, pero kinakailangan mas magpasensya. Marriage strives for humility and gentleness and patience.
Yeah, congrats. At ako nang bahala kila mama, pati kay papa.
Ngayon na.
Salamat sa pag-aalaga sa akin.
Yun niya, congrats siya. Sana gabayan ka ni Lord sa buhay pag-aasawa. Yun lang.
Masquerading in a crowded room. I will move if you want me. Masquerading in a crowded room.
Kahit mahirap, kahit uncertain, I also choose you in every season. Ruth's words weren't spoken in romance, but they showed the kind of love I want to give to you. Faithful, selfless, and lasting.
Ang dami kong doubt sa sarili ko, pero ikaw, hindi ka nagduda sa kaya ko. Lagi kang may tiwala sa bawat desisyon ko. And proud na proud akong sabihin sa iba yon na lagi kang nagtitiwala sa akin. You were the answers to my prayers.
Hi, love. 2024 na. O, diba? Di ka pa nagpa-propose, may vows na ako. Diba, Panis? Ganun ako ka-sure sa'yo, and I was able to write my vows for you, finally. This day, nung sinulat ko to, marks the 56th month since I said yes to be your girlfriend. And every moment after that, just confirm, ikaw talaga yung sagot sa matagal ko ng panalangin.
I wanna call you home. Safe in your arms.
thank you Mapa sa pagpapalaki sa akin ng maayos. Yun na lang kaya natuto rin akong dumiskarte kaya ako nandito ngayon. Salamat po. Salamat po. Salamat Mapa.
God really knew what he was doing, and you're the proof. God really knew what he was doing when he let me.
Love right now, I can say na I have found the one whom my soul loves. That is also written in Solomon chapter 3 verse 4. Ikaw ang paborito kong tugon sa panalangin. Today, I vow to you and to our God to grow closer to God, to love Him, to serve Him, and deepen my relationship with Him para mas mamahalin kita sa paraan na ituturo niya. Tapat, totoo, at may pananampalataya.
Safe in your arms,
Sumiyak, maubos na yung makeup mo.
At nagpapasalamat ako kasi yun yung tinuro niyo sa buhay ko. Yun yung ganun niyo ako pinalaki. At higit sa lahat, pinalaki niyo ako na mananatakot sa Diyos higit sa lahat.
And I am praying every day to have a heart that is steadfast, obedient, and full of strength. So I can love you with the same kind of faithfulness. Kaya today, I promise sa harap nila, sa harap ng mga taong kabilang sa pag-iisang dibdib natin, to love you deeply and sincerely. I vow to cherish you, to honor you with honors kalab, and to remind myself lagi that you are proof of God's faithfulness in my life.
I live with you. How sweet it is to love. I live with you. How sweet.
And I thank God because God listened. And the answer has always been you. Sabi ko nga, ikaw yung paborito kong tugon sa mga panalangin.
I promise to honor this vow each day. And I pray na sa bawat hakbang natin together, we give glory to the Lord who brought us here. Forever starts with you. Next may forever pala. And I've never been more sure kasi ikaw yung taong pinadala ng Lord para sa akin.
See, God really knew